Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into Sycamore School online. Well, it is a very easy and simple process. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome in here. So after opening your browser, what you're going to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing app.sycamoreschool.com. So after you have typed down that, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Sycamore School. Here you can see this is the official login page of Sycamore School. And in here, what you're going to do is add your school ID and then your username and your password. You can even choose the language of your preference. In here, simply click on this arrow and then here you can see you can select any kind of language of your preference. In case you have forgotten your passcode, you can even click on this forgot password right here, and then this will lead you to the further process of how to recover your password. And if all of your information is correct, you can simply just click on this login button and then this will lead you to your account of Sycamore School. And that is it. That is how you can log into your Sycamore School. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.